Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan using fudge bar, updated. Start by preparing a smooth caramel, then crumble one fudge bar into milk and whisk until fully combined. Temper eggs slowly to avoid curdling. Strain the mixture for silkiness, pour into molds, and steam or bake in a water bath until set and jiggles slightly in the center. Gather your ingredients first so nothing is missed during cooking. Warm the milk gently and stir in the crumbled fudge bar until melted, then cool slightly. Whisk eggs with sugar until combined but not frothy, and slowly add warm chocolate milk to temper. Strain through a sieve to remove any solids, then pour into prepared ramekins. Prepare the caramel and line molds before pouring for quick assembly. Control the heat for the best texture when cooking Leche Flan with a fudge bar. Use a gentle steam or a 325 degrees F water bath to cook evenly without bubbles. Cover molds to prevent water drops from altering the caramel surface. Allow custards to cool to room temperature, then chill several hours for clean slices. When unmolding, run a knife around the edge and invert onto a plate for a glossy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.